Buongiorno amici, here I am again, Esmeralda. Today we are going to talk about an important chapter. The pronouns, oppure in Italia, il pronome. Why I picked this one? I think because this week in class, as always, we try to find a way how to teach the pronouns. And trust me, friends, pronouns is one of the chapters that a lot of students had a hard time to get, and a lot of teachers, let's be honest, have a hard time how to go through this, how to make that go through the students. So let's talk, what does it mean, the pronoun? Pronouns, as you guys know, it is coming from Latin. And please apologize me if I need to go my eyes, but you know this now, my eyes have to go on the other side because I have my material. And I can promise you one fact, this material is my book, is the one that I am writing. It's called Italian Native Service Method to teach Italian to adults. So this is all mine and I'm so proud of this job. The pronoun is a word that replaces an element of the sentence to avoid unnecessary repetition and make the text flow more smoothly. Il pronome, the pronoun, comes from Latin. That means pro nome, in place of the name. Now, I'm not going to explain you guys all the pronouns because it's a huge chapter, but I'm going to explain you guys how I try with my students to go through them, teaching the personal pronouns. The personal pronouns we know are I, io, tu, you, lui, lei, means he, she, noi, we, voi, you, and loro means they. Now it is kind of hard to memorize all these little words, but we find it a fun way if we use hands language, and I'm so good with that. So, io, first person, you, referring to you, and he or she means lui or lei. Noi, voi, and loro, all the people around. And trust me, it can be like fine later. Io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. So io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. Is that easy? Okay, let's do it again together. Last time. Io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. Is that fun? And then it can become a rap too if you want. Io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. So, sorry, it gets out of the system. I like it, and I hope this is an easier way for you guys to memorize the pronouns from now on. Remembering that, you learn for having fun. Ok, ciao ragazzi. La prossima volta we're gonna hear something more. Bye, ciao.